Visual Studio Code, commonly known as VS Code, is a source code editor that functions as a lightweight but powerful integrated development environment. VS Code is essentially a smarter version of Notepad, designed specifically for coding. It's lightweight yet powerful, striking a balance between a simple text editor and a full IDE. Developed by Microsoft, it's completely free and open source, built on the Electron framework, which allows it to run efficiently on various platforms. One of VS Code's key advantages is its cross-platform nature. It runs seamlessly on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, providing a consistent development experience regardless of your operating system. VS Code comes with a rich set of features designed to enhance productivity. These include syntax highlighting, intelligent code completion, bracket matching, and code folding. It also offers an integrated terminal, Git integration, debugging support, and IntelliSense for smart code suggestions. VS Code's integrated debugging capabilities allow you to set breakpoints, inspect variables, and view call stacks directly within the editor. This streamlines the development process by eliminating the need to switch between different tools when testing and debugging your code. VS Code's true power comes from its vast ecosystem of extensions. These add-ons provide support for additional programming languages, themes, productivity tools, and specialized debugging capabilities. The extension marketplace lets you browse and install thousands of extensions to tailor VS Code to your specific development needs. There are many compelling reasons to choose VS Code as your development environment. It's completely free and open source, with a lightweight footprint and fast startup times. Its rich extension ecosystem lets you customize every aspect of your workflow. Microsoft provides regular updates with new features and improvements, and with its strong community support, VS Code is an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced developers. To get started with VS Code for web development, we'll walk through the installation and setup process. First, download Visual Studio Code from the official website. Select the version that matches your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. After downloading, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure to select the option to add VS Code to your path, which allows you to open it from the command line. You may also want to enable the context menu integration for easy file access. After installation, open VS Code to explore its interface. The activity bar on the left gives access to different views like the File Explorer, Search, and Extensions. The editor area is where you write your code, and the integrated terminal at the bottom lets you run commands without leaving VS Code. A key feature of VS Code is its extensibility. Install extensions from the marketplace to enhance functionality for web development. Essential extensions for web development include HTML, CSS, and JavaScript language support, Live Server for real-time preview, Prettier for code formatting, ESLint for JavaScript linting, and To-Do highlight to mark tasks in your code. Let's create your first HTML file. Click File, then New File, and save it as index.html. This will trigger VS Code to activate HTML language features automatically. You can now start writing your HTML code. A basic HTML structure includes the doctype declaration, HTML, head, and body tags. Within the body, you can add headings, paragraphs, and other content. To view your HTML page in a browser, use the Live Server extension. After installing it, right-click on your HTML file and select Open with Live Server. Live Server launches your page in a browser and automatically refreshes it whenever you save changes to your code. This gives you immediate feedback as you develop. As your web projects grow, organize your files in a workspace. Create separate folders for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files to keep your project structured. VS Code's split-screen editing allows you to work with multiple files simultaneously, perfect for seeing your HTML structure alongside your CSS or JavaScript code.